Hi, my name is Lindsay Davenport, and for my final review topic, I chose to talk about metamorphic processes. So let's get started. What is a metamorphic rock? Metamorphic rocks transform from one type to the next under intense heat and pressure. They are produced from pre-existing igneous, sedimentary, or from other metamorphic rocks. And as we continue talking about the process, you will find that heat and pressure is going to be a constant variable in the process, and different heat and pressure can change how a rock is formed, and it has to do with texture. So let's see at the different types of metamorphism. Different types is contact, hydrothermal, regional, burial, and impact. Metamorphic processes that cause changes in texture and mineral assemblages in metamorphic rock. And as I was saying earlier, slate is very fine grain. Phyllite is fine. Schist is medium to coarse. These are foliated rocks, and gneiss is medium to coarse, but they all have different grain size, and that is due from the pressure and heat. Over here, these are the parent rocks of what the parent rock can turn into. Like slate can turn into phyllite. And, but this process is about heat and pressure and the different textures that the rocks give off and the grain sizes. Foliated versus non-foliated is where metamorphic rocks that are formed from aligned mineral grains. This type of texture is formed when the rock undergoes pressure. Non-foliated is metamorphic rocks that are formed from non-aligned mineral grains. This type of texture is formed under the direct pressure and elevated temperatures. Like I said, you can clearly see pressure and heat is a big key in the process. What temperature and pressure can do. Temperature, pressure, and chemically active fluids change pre-existing rocks into something new. The greater the heat, temperature, and time, the greater the degree of metamorphosis. And down here I have the grades from high to low. Gneiss is a high grade. Schist is second, phyllite third, slate is the lowest. And you can see on the picture that greater the temperature, the higher the grade, and pressure is also involved too. But yeah, this is my works cited, and that is the metamorphic processes.